Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the Java loop statements. Java has three loop statements at the time of introduction, like Java 1.2, that is the for loop, while loop, and do while loop. From the Java 1.5 version, we are having another loop, like enhanced for loop and for each loop. What is the loop? It is a feature in the programming language which allows you to run the block of code in multiple times. Suppose I want to print one message in 100 times. So rather than writing the print statement 100 times, just I am using the for loop. Suppose I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. So instead of writing the print statements 10 times, just I am printing with the for loop or the loop statements we can use. Not only the for loop, we can use the loop statements. So most probably, basically, we can use the for loop. The syntax is the for loop, the initialization, condition, increment or decrement. Inside the braces, we can write the code which perform or which can iterate how much of times we can mention in the condition. Suppose we can see in the IDE. Suppose I creating one Java class for loop. So in the for loop, we can see the for and initialization, the variable, initialization, condition, increment or decrement. Here I did the increment. So I want to print a message. To identify easily, just I am doing the I. So how much time it will iterate, the message will be print that much of times. Here we are doing that I less than 10. So it will print the 9 times because we are giving here the I less than 10. Once we execute this one, we can see that the result will get expected or not. See here, guys, we can see the 9 times the message will execute. If we want the 10 times, we can give the less than or equal to 10. Then we can see the 10 times the message will be printed. And the next one is the enhanced for loop or for each loop. It is the most probably we can using for enhanced for loop and for each loop is for the arrays and collections for iterating the elements. The one drawback in this enhanced for loop is cannot iterate the elements in the reverse order. It can iterate in the forward order only. It cannot iterate in the reverse order. We can see in this the code. Code. We need the array, so we can first initialize the array. So here we declare the array and we take the 5 numbers in this, and we want to iterate those in the for loop to print whatever the elements in the array, these 5 numbers. So we can comment out this one when we get for this. So here I want to print the numbers of the array one by one. Just I can execute this program. See guys, we can see the 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever the existing in the array, we can print one by one. And the another loop is while loop. It will be execute only when the condition is true. The while loop will be execute when the condition is true. The syntax is while and we're giving the condition and we're writing the code in the braces. After that, we can increment or decrement. So we can see the IDE. So for this, I will create a one class. For this, first initializing the variable while I less than 10. I want to iterate this while loop until the I reaches like uh, until the condition is true. I want to print I. After that, I want to increment. So I will execute the code. Yes, guys, you can see it will print numbers until the condition is satisfied. Suppose if we take int I equal to 1, it will validate if the condition is true or not. 1 less than 10. Then the condition is true, it will come into the inside the while loop and it will print and it will increment here after printing. Once it is increment done, then the I value will be 2. Again, here it will validate, it checks the condition, the 2 less than 10. Again, it will come inside the while loop and it will print. Again, the value of I will be increment. Now the value is 3. Again, it will go into the while and validate in the condition, checks the condition. Once the condition is true, it will iterate until the condition will be false. Once the condition will be false, then it will be exit from the loop. Whereas do while loop is same as a while loop, but the one thing is it will check the condition after the each iteration. After the each iteration, it will execute it will checks the condition. So here, if the condition not satisfies, even though if the condition not satisfies, the statement will be print at least once. The statement will be print at least once. We can see in the code. So I am creating one do while loop. Do while loop class. Here initializing the variable. After then do I plus plus. After that, it will checks the condition I less than 10. Now we can execute this code. Then we can see it prints the numbers 1 to 9. Here we are giving the while I less than 10. Then it will print until 9 only. Suppose if I give the value of I equal to 20, then the condition it will fails. But here in the do while loop, it checks the condition after the iteration. Then it will print the statement once. Just I execute the code. See here, just it prints once as a 20. After then it will comes out from the loop because here the condition fails. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.